What's up, everyone? My name is Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new, thank you for coming back. If you're an old friend, today we are going to give you an easy Valentine's Day smoky eye for you to go out for your Valentine's Day, for your Galentine's Day, for your Galentine's Day, whatever kind of Valentine's Day you having. Whatever you're doing, this is going to be a good look, okay? Because look at it. It's just amazing. It looks really intricate, but it is so easy. I break down all the steps for you to pull off this beautiful green smoky eye. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned. So like last week, I was going to church and I put up a picture of my makeup and it kind of got a lot of buzz on Twitter. It looked really, really good. Like I kind of went off, if I do say so myself. Out of the benevolence of my heart, I've decided to film this for you because I want you guys to slay on Valentine's Day. And if you are scared of a smoky eye, I don't want you to be scared anymore because I broke it down so easily that you guys can pull off the smoky eye as well, right? All you gotta do is remember the cardinal rule of makeup, which is always be blended, right? And if you have a fantastic Valentine's Day planned, or if you have somewhere fancy that you want to go, this look will take you there. Like, it is just bomb. Like, this is a red carpet look. So anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna get right into the tutorial because we know we hate long intros, and this is kind of like my second intro. So let's just switch it up. So our first step for a really simple smoky eye is to make sure that we have our transition shades down. I'm going to pick up the ABH Prism palette and use the shade Saturn as our transition shade. Remember, the transition shade is between the crease and the brow bone. I'm using light strokes to make sure that the color is distributed all across my lid. So we're putting the color down directly above the crease, and then we're just going to use light strokes to kind of blow it out into the transition space, because we want to have a nice gradient when we look at our lid. Next, we're going to pick up the shade Parallel, and we're going to put that directly into the crease. Our next step is to use black liner to set the base for this smoky eye. You want to stick with something that's creamy, so a liquid liner would not work in this instance because it would dry down too quickly. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills waterproof cream color in the shade Jet. Now we're going to put this directly on the lid. So wherever your crease is, that's where you're going to stop, because you don't want it to go up too high because you'll be blending the black out. Once that's down, use the same brush that you put the first two shades down with to blend out the edges of this black. It's gonna look crazy for a little bit, but the more you blend, the better it's gonna look. Just like with the other colors, you want to keep most of the pigment towards your lash line and then blend outward from the top so that you can get a gradient. And see, so we have that smoky eye effect right now, and it doesn't look crazy because we have our transition colors down and you don't look like a raccoon yet. We're gonna keep you from looking like a raccoon though. So the great thing about this shadow base, this smoky eye base, is that you can put almost any shimmer on top of it and it will pop. If you wanted it to be a matte black smoky eye, you can tap matte black shadow on top of this, but in order to add some dimension, if you have a shimmery black, that would be great. You can also post any shimmer on top of it and it will pop. I'm going to be using Throne, which just happens to be the prettiest green shade I have ever seen in my entire life. What I love about this shade is that you don't even need to wet it in order for it to be like popping. You just throw that thing on and look at that. Wow, wow, wow. That is amazing. That looks so good. So you want to put this down exactly where you put down your black liner. So we put the black liner down on the lid and then we blended it outwards so that we can have a gradient, and we're going to do the exact same thing with this green shade. Now I'm going to do my foundation work and then I'm going to come back and finish up. So I'm pulling out the Colored Rain Empower Call the Shots Blush Highlighter Duo. And I'm going to use the blush side. This is my new favorite blush. This orange blush is going to bring out the orange tones in the shadow. I'm going to pick up my Makeup Geek Duochrome highlighter in the shade Ablaze. Alright, so the last thing that we have to do to finish up this smoky eye look is to get the bottom lash line smoked out and put on some lashes. So I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner in Dark Side, and I'm going to put this in my waterline and a little bit below my waterline so that I can blend it out. I'm gonna grab the flat shader that we had before, dip into Throne, tap that on your actual lower lid. Now to finish off the look, we're going to go into Parallel and Saturn at the same time and just blend that green out so that there's not like a harsh line. You want to make sure that you connect it to the parallel that's out here. That kind of brings the whole look full circle. So since we have a really bold smoky eye, we can go with a really bold lash to kind of draw everything together. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh, this is great. I have on the Be Daring lashes by Blushed by Naomi, and I love them because they are so thick and fluffy, and they just pull any look together, any bold look together. So y'all know I love a nude glossy lip. I love them even more when they are paired with a bold smoky eye because it's just like a palette cleanser. So today we are going to give you one of the many nude lip combinations that I do. I'm gonna start off with the MAC Cork Lip Pencil to line the outside of my lips. I'm also going to shade the inner corners of my lips so that we can have a nice ombre once we put the lipstick on. Next, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sand Liquid Lipstick to fill in the rest of my lips. And then to finish that off, I am going to use the Spiked Lip Glass by MAC. Put that right on top. Alright, so the last step, because this is Valentine's Day and you want this to stay for the night, we are going to bring back Oh Faithful, the Ben Nye Final Seal, to seal all this stuff in. Okay guys, this is the finished look. We have a bold green smoky eye with nude lip combo, and I think that this came out really, really cute. It looks really good, and I think that the green really, really makes brown eyes pop. So if you have brown eyes, this look is what you want for Valentine's Day, okay? You want your date to be like, oh my god, your eyes are so beautiful. Your eyes are so beautiful. And it's just really gonna be because A, your eyes are beautiful, and B, because the green is just gonna make that brown's gonna look like honey next to the green, okay? So if you guys like this video, just make sure you give me a thumbs up down below. This is the first tutorial that I've done in a long time, and I really liked doing it. So if you guys want me to do more tutorials and kind of cut back on the reviews and demos, drop me a line in the comment section down below, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We are on our way to 1K. We're almost there. We are slowly creeping up and I'm excited. And do not forget to click the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.